Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad, Rafiq, Jeffry, Abdullah. So, today our group will present to you about our project that is portable specimen grinder. So, portable specimen grinder is a machine that is used to grind and polish specimen for material study. The function is to grind and polish until the surface is mirror-like, so that the microstructural can be observed under the microscope. Next is the features that has on our product. First, it has an adjustable speed of motor, so that we can decide the suitable speed according to the process for the machine to run. Furthermore, it able to swap sandpaper or polishing pad according to the process selection, either want to do polishing process or grinding process. By the way, if the sandpaper or polishing pad does not work well as abrasive, or we call worn out, it can be changed, because the size of sandpaper and polishing pad that prepare from the outside is 8 inches, and it is same size of rotating plate, which is also using standard size, that is 8 inches. Next is it is an adjustable height of machine. By using the car jack, it is able to lift up and down the plate according to the user comfort. Last, it is a portable machine because there is a 4 wheel that attached to the leg of machine and able to turn 360 degree to move the specimen machine grinder.
Show you about the pros and cons for the portable specimen grinder and polisher. The first thing is the pros for the machine is it can move. It is because we equip it with the roller, so that you can move the machine any way you like it. So the second one is the machine can be adjustable the height. We know that every people have a different working height, so that you can easily adjust the height to your comfort zone of work. The third one is the machine is the lightweight. The machine is lightweight because a material that we are made from the lightweight, and beside that the maintenance it is easily to do it yourself. So the fourth one is the machine can be a multi-purpose. The first thing we can do is a polisher, and the second one is the grinding. So the last but not least is the machine. The plate from the machine are standardized from the market. We follow the standard size of the plate because we know that you can easily find the standard size of sandpaper. So for the cons is the specimen grinder is not so aesthetic, because we emphasize the function than the aesthetic. Thank you from me.
Hi, my name is Chiew, and I would like to continue the presentation with the target customer of the portable specimen grinder. The first one is the industries. For example, industries that is related to metallography will use this machine for structure observation. Besides the R&D in the industry, we also use this machine for their research, especially regarding materials. The portable specimen grinder will also be useful when designing a product. For instance, when performing material selection for the product. This machine is also targeted to the educational institution like UTM itself, where there is need for this machine for material related courses or material related subjects, where students will use this machine during their lab session. This machine is also useful for the research of masters or PhD student, or maybe the university staff itself if the university managed to get research grant from the industries. Next, we will go to the comparison between our product and the benchmark product. The chosen benchmark product is the Boiler Beta Grinder Polisher. The reason why it is chosen is because we have the same machine in FKP, thus we have easy access to it. The first criteria is the aesthetic. We can see that our machine is quite bulky since there is those additional features, and the benchmark is more compact and basic. Next, the rotating speed for both machines is between 30 to 600 rpm. The reason is because most of the material required to be ground in those speed ranges. The rotating plate diameter for our machine is the same with the benchmark with 8 inches. This is to make sure that our machine will be compatible with the commonly used sandpaper in the market. Next is the motor rated power. You can see that our product has a rated power of 150 watt compared to 240 watt at the benchmark, which means less power consumption. As for the height, our product has a range of 600 to 930 mm, while for the benchmark it comes with a fixed height of 250 mm.
Hi, I am Nureen and I will show you why is this product worth buying. Firstly, why is our product lower in cost? This is because only common processes are involved and the fabrication are simpler. The shape of this machine is a simple geometric shape and design. The main joining process is welding. Almost all of the parts are made of metal. Thus, the finishing processes is just filing and spray painting. How about the material used? We use high quality material with lower price. This material having good machinability. Additionally, it is not easily corroded and has excellent fracture toughness. This material is lighter than the previous material, so it provides lighter total weight. Besides, its maintenance costs are low. Customer can do maintenance on their own. No need to set appointment and pay for the maintenance services. That can save you money. Each part of our portable specimen grinder and polisher machine are easy to find and the price also affordable. In addition, this machine can last for years. So many advantages and reasonable for you to choose our portable specimen grinder and polisher machine. Thank you for me.
Hi, I'm Mara. So now I will make a quick conclusion for this presentation. Why is our product is the best that you need to choose rather than the other competitors? First thing first, our product is portable specimen grinder is used in laboratory for grinding and polishing process of any metallic materials. So for the main innovation that we applied to this product is make it portable. Sounds cool, right? Because other competitors doesn't make it portable like we made it. So this product is easily moved from one place to another place. For the next point is user can adjust the height of the specimen grinder machine before using it. Compared to another competitors, the height is really fixed, and this will make users more comfortable and not difficult to stand longer to finish the polishing and grinding process. Lastly, the materials are used in our product are majorly contains of aluminium and steels that proves our product are rigid enough to withstand the high force when applied to it. So that's all from our group presentation. Thank you.